Welcome to the Well Casing Service Group of Companies. Mission of the company is the development of the world technological decision-making system and the control systems for cementing oil and gas wells. Well Casing Service Group of Companies is a network of the enterprises covers a vast territory. All branches are united in a common information structure on the basis of the neutral network. Geography of the group of companies' activity covers the main oil-producing regions of Russia, as well as Ukraine, Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, and Belarus. Technology and methodology of the company are also applied to a number of European companies. The main objective of cementing is a reaction effect to the negative impact of mining and geological factors and loads encountered during the development and operation of the well. There are problems with tightness, such as crossflows, intercasing pressure, and their consequences in case of discrepancy of the applicable technological complex and well conditions. Thus, the cementing should represent the security system that reduces the economic and environmental risk during construction and operation of wells. The high water-oil ratio is a feature of the most oil fields under production. The cementing quality is one of the major factors that have influence on this ratio. To improve the fluid tightness of well, we need to change the approach to the technological decision-making system for cementing. Application of technological decision-making system for solving complex problems in HOSWAN number 1861 well cementing. Consider the algorithm of technological decision-making system using the example of the HOSWAN oil field number 1861. The oil field was put into operation and maintenance phase in 1948, and it is developed over 60 years by the Azerbaijan oilmen. The reservoir pressure in the producing horizons decreased almost twice due to the long-term operation, while the water-bearing horizon it remains original. This creates a drop of pressure between the horizons up to 20.0 MPa. Even greater load occurs during operation by reducing bottom hole pressure. The attempts to solve this problem with using the traditional approach to cementing did not give any results because it was formed crossflows water flooding of the well. How does the technological decision-making system of SKS-GK work? At the first stage, experts of SKS-GK estimate the initial object conditions, develop the requirements for technological complex cementation that are able to minimize the effect of factors reducing the tightness of the system, casing column, cement stone, wellbore wall. The next step is development of elements of technological complex and their evaluation by ChemExpert program in the network of SKS-GK laboratories. From 0 to 100 points evaluation in ChemExpert program shows the effectiveness of countering the cementing complex and factors that increases the risk of leakage in the well. For expanding backfill material RTM 75, score is 86 points. For lightened backfill material OTM 4, 67 points. For developed cementing technology, 80 points. Next, the algorithm of technological decision-making system assesses the risk of leakage in the well during the development, operation, and application of production stimulation methods, such as hydraulic fracturing, with help of computer modeling of the load distribution in system, casing column, cement stone, geological materials. Values of calculated stress and strain in the cement stone are compared with the data obtained in the laboratory testing. Technological complex is allowed for use while there are positive results. As a result of the application of the SKS approach to the development of a technological complex was managed to create a lining which can withstand differential pressure, 6.7 MPa per meter. Permanent bonding in the range of productive horizons as cement bond logging result, 100%. The commercial oil flow was received. Over 12,000 wells were cemented with this method. The average trend of cement bond logging of permanent bonding in the interval of RTM is 79%. The estimation of financial risks of the well construction is one of the practical products of application of provocative assessment of technological systems efficiency with ChemExpert software. The diagram shows the NPV calculation results for the construction project of 100 wells with an average production rate 50 tons per day. Complexity factor is 0.58 according to the ChemExpert assessment with application of technological decision-making system is 92 points. Without technological decision-making system is 65 points. Number of downcoming wells with application of technological decision-making system is 4.5%. Without technological decision-making system is 25%. A comparison of the total investment of the object construction, including the cost of developing a cementing complex and the amount of probable losses of object debits upon the occurrence of various types of risk, technological, technical, and financial as a result. It allows to see the real price. In other words, financial effectiveness and risk rate of taking technological solutions. What we offer. Expertise set. The given set consists of the supply and/or development of software products for customer needs, as well as laboratory tests and analyses fulfilled with and also without the use of such a software. Technological pack. Given pack implies the use of SKS Group's productive and technological capacities for the work at the customer's facilities. Product of the given set is an application of the developed technological complexes for cementing on the customer's facilities. Consulting set. Given set is regarded to recommendations using the first two sets tools that are aimed at achieving the most possible increases of cementation's efficiency and obtaining thus a significant increase of production rate of the client using a methods of revealing and minimizing the factors hindering the achievement of the client's business objectives. Risk management set. Given set is a compound of the previous sets and is targeted on identifying and minimizing risk factors in the field of cementing of oil and gas wells. Product of the given set is a proactive risk assessment of the client's company in the area of well cementing. In a down economy and fall of oil prices, it is necessary to move from economy to economics, from quantity to quality, to extend the operation terms of wells, to create maximum fluid-tight lining, to make the assessment of financial risks and financial prospects of cementing complexes.